大家好，我係 Mr. Manso， 今日會為大家講呢就 HKDSE Quadratic Function Graph Part 1 審題啦。The figure shows the graph of y equal mx squared plus x plus n, where m and n are constants. Which of the following is true? OK， 好啦，咁首先呢，你要知道啦，呢幅圖呢係一個 Quadratic Function 嚟嘅。當然啦，而家呢一刻嘅狀態呢，我哋就係 in 呢個 general form 嘅 ，OK。咁留意啦，嗰個 x square term coefficient 係重要嘅，因為呢嗰個 graph 呢就 opens upwards，咁所以個 m 呢就會係大過零噶啦，咁就 x square term coefficient 係大過零。另一件事呢，就我哋會睇呢一個 y-intercept， 即係 general form 裏邊嗰隻 c 啦，OK。咁樣呢，我哋知道啦，呢一個 y-intercept 呢係處喺呢個 positive y-axis 嗰度嘅，咁所以呢，嗰個 n 呢就會大過零噶啦。處理咗 m 大過零 ，n 大過零呢，所以答案係 A，咁啲題都完噶啦，多謝大家。